Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to start with a GK book, that is New General Knowledge Update. Lesson 36, Rare Natural Phenomena. Let us start with the introduction. All phenomena that are not artificial, any state or process known through the senses rather than by institution or reasoning. Natural phenomena are those that occur or manifest without human input. Natural phenomena include gravity, tides, biological processes, and oscillation. Natural phenomena is any observable, measurable, repeated event that occur naturally under the conditions or factors without the interference of humans. Natural phenomena that are so rare and beautiful that they may seem unbelievable at first, but they do take place on our earth. So children, let us discuss some natural phenomena of the earth. First is yellow opal. This new beautiful gemstone is found in a district of Ethiopia. It looks like a miniature underwater scene of the ocean. When it is held against the light, this opal can have vivid play of color flashing from a body color of clear, white, yellow, orange or brown. It is more stable than the north opal. Next is tidal bore. It is a rare natural phenomena in which an incoming tide creates a wave of water to flow against the river's current. A tidal bore, often simply given as bore in contents, is a tidal phenomena in which the leading ledge of the incoming tide forms a wave of water that travels up a river or narrow bay against the direction of the river or bay's current. Next natural phenomena is pingo. It is a mound of earth-covered ice found in the Arctic and subarctic regions. It can reach up to 70 meters in height and up to 600 meters in diameter. Pingos are intra-permafrost ice-coated hills ranging in height from 3 to 70 meter and 30 to 1000 meter in diameter. They are typically conical in shape and grew and persist only in permafrost environments such as the Arctic and subarctic regions. Next is temperature inversions. It is a rare weather phenomena in which the cooler air is trapped near the Earth's surface by warmer air above. This fills the Grand Canyon in the USA with a dense white fog at the end of the November each year. Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds. These interesting clouds are found when there is instability in the atmosphere. Two different layers of air moving at different speeds in the atmosphere form these clouds. It looks like as if someone has painted the sky with breaking ocean's waves. Next is natural arc. It is a geological formation where a hole in the rock is formed due to weathering caused by the sea or river water. It is sometimes referred to as a natural bridge. Natural arcs commonly form where inlet cliffs, coastal cliffs, fens or stacks are subject to erosion from the sea, rivers or weathering. Next is Tree of Life. This 400-year-old, 32 feet tall, miraculous tree is in dry sand desert in Bahrain. There is no apparent source of water or other vegetation available for kilometers. It has deep root systems, sometimes going up to 50 meters down, reaching deep beds of underground water. It is on a hill in a barren area of the Arabian desert. Now children, I am going to ask some cross questions from you. Name the gemstone found in Ethiopia. Name the 400-year-old tree found in Bahrain. Name a mound of earth-covered ice found in the Arctic region. What fills the Grand Canyon in the USA with a dense white fog? I hope you all are able to answer all these questions. So students, I hope you have understood this chapter, solve the exercises and learn it. Thank you.